mbote ya mingi na bana ne Congo ba oyo nyonso balandaka programme na ngai. D'abord na lingi na s'excuser na bino. Nayebi ke mingi bakoloba, mingi bakose poser ba question, mais nakosenga bo se poser ba question te. Pona nini? Pota soki eza na nzoto na yo te, okoyeba pasi na yango te. Tobimaka ko critiquer, tobimaka koloba de n'importe quoi, parce que likambo wana ozolobela esalameli yo te. Lokola tolekaka mingi na mayele, toyebaka nyonso. Tango ezwaka bino, obandi koluka batu. Soki mutu akosalisa yo te, akomi mutu mabe. Me ngai nazali mwana olukwa. Ngai nayekolaka à travers batu mususu. Bandeko, boko mama na kanal na biso Ana ne Congo. Soko koti na YouTube, obeti Ana ne Congo. A-N-A space N-E space Congo avec K. K-O-N-G-O. Okomona ngai Toyo ne Congo. Comme ça, ozali kolanda ba programme na biso, ba pensée na biso, ba conseil na biso. Video oyo nasali yango pona mwana oyanga. Message oyo ezali pona bana ya fulupinga, parce que tangu bana ya fulupinga baye na Angleterre bayaki nzela moko na Junior. A simple message to Vernige, your sisters and brothers. You know, when you came to London, you came with Junior. I'm just reminding you. You came with Junior. But today, Junior denies that. I remember him asking me, what have you done for me? What I've done for him. It means he came by himself. Probably his mom must have paid a ticket for him. That's how he ended up in London. Junior, I know you sit down to watch my videos. Naibike, ovandaka otalaka ba video nanga. You pretend not to speak Lingala, but I know you better than anybody else. You can pretend. I was telling Nene, I've seen Junior is getting closer to your daughter Tanya. But what Nene does not know, you can avenge him or me. And if you cannot reach me, you can do it to the daughter. You are capable of poisoning that daughter to hurt us, me or him or him. I told him this is the time to stop it, to put a barrier and to make Tanya sit down and tell her not to see Junior anymore. Junior is not a brother or a cousin. There's so much evil in him, and my brother knows it, and the whole family know about what he is. Junior, I want to show you something. You know all these diaries? I can show you one by one. 2016. Still 2016. 2013. 2014. 2012 and 13, 2018 and 19. You see, 18 and 19. 2019, 2020 and 21. I hope, let me show it again, Junior. You can see all the diaries, and some have misplaced them. Just to let you know, everything you did, Junior, I'll write it down. Now, rappelle you a few things, Junior. I just want to remind you a few things. Junior, you know the wedding in Peckham? Uncle John Luzaisu. I don't remember, but it's in the diary. The date, everything. Everything you did. There was a wedding in Peckham. I don't know the area code, I've got the address, the date, everything there. Junior, it was to do with the son of the daughter of Uncle John. Andre, I called you, I said they wanted to see you. It was not because I wanted you to come, no. I don't get involved in your life. I don't know what you do, where you live. I don't know anything about your life. I understood you wanted freedom, and I was out of your life. I was too much in your life. As a father trying to educate you, I realized I was disturbing. I got to a point I lost it. You were going to shop and stealing or running away from. I have to work your ass, then how I end up where I end up. So I stepped back. How do you want to know about your life? Junior, you came back to me. I remember Zebio, I don't know how you did it. But I know Dandy is behind everything. Junior, you're too small. You're too small for me, Junior. I advise you something. The only way you can finish me is to shoot me and poison me. You've been in the house, you had a chance to put some strong poison to kill me straight away. Junior, your friends, let me remind you something. Na mois oya September, this September in your wedding, your friend saw me at the door. He's telling me, oh, do you remember me? You know, we came to your house to do the cable. And he called his wife. Because he had told his wife, this is the house where we went, we stole the key. And the wife came, did you see what they did to you? I look at them and laugh. But he didn't know when he mentioned that straight away. I knew the guy came to do the cable, the virgin cable, when I wanted my virgin cable. I'll remind you something. As soon as they left, I was in touch with Virgin. If I'm lying, they can get in touch. They'll see the record. I also went to the police to inform them. That's why I did not change my key. I made a mistake, but I did not change the key of the house because I assume you will make a mistake because you knew I did not know, but I knew that the key had gone, the key has gone, and you will come back. I was expecting to get someone in the house. At the same time, the camera was not working properly because the phone was smashed. I could not get you from far away. This is the only reason. Junior, you know how a python kill? When a python sees someone, a human being, a python does not get close to them. He runs away. He avoids the python. But if a human being sees the python trying to kill him, once the python understands that the human being trying to kill him, he pretends to hide or to run away. But he found a way of coming back. He might hide himself, but the truth is he's not hiding. He's trying to see if the human being can make a mistake so he can come up. A python has got two ways. He uses his tail and he uses his head. If he can get you, the first thing he headbutt you. If he can hide himself and go somewhere and come back and grab you on the way, headbutt or the tail. Once you're on the ground, he will come round you. And he makes sure his head goes in front of you, looking at you, when he runs you with his body. At the same time squeezing you. And he makes sure his head look at your face. And then he asks you, can you see me? This is the man you were trying to kill. That's how the python kills. And then he squeezes you. When he squeezes you, his head is looking at you this way. So you see him. That's what I am. Junior, I'm just telling you, you thought I did not know that the guy came to do the key. Then he makes a mistake. When he sees me in your party, in your wedding, he's reminding me of his wife. But what Junior they did not know, that day my arms and legs were tied. They were tired because everyone wanted a drink. We brought the whiskey, I've got this. And I could not turn my phone off because everyone wanted to speak to me. And because at that time, there was no way I can live by myself. I will have disappeared, keep an eye on them, and go after them and do the job. I'm giving you a simple example. The mistake they made, it was an opportunity for me to go for them that day, that night. It would have been a clean job. Believe me, you have no idea. Junior, you know when you were shot in Tottenham, when they shot you in Tottenham, and Dandy called me about around 2 a.m. Was that part of your life? Did I know what happened in your life? Was that there? So what was my problem in your life when you were shot there? I was not seeing you. I don't owe you anything. I don't have anything to do with you. Nalibala na yo. Nangena yana ngate. Parce que nazaka na tango wana te ya kusokipe na vie na yo. When I speak Lingala, you know you understand Lingala because you watch the video. When I was responding someone about my passport, because the person thinks I have no stay. All the years I've been living in this country, he thought I have no stay. I'll make a video. There's a story I have to tell about a lady I helped in 90 or 91. I went to Switzerland in Fribourg. They were shocked to see me with a citizenship at that time. So I got the lady a visa. It was 90 or 91, I can't remember. But I'll make the video for the lady and the husband And everyone those days. And my uncle was in Switzerland, the last born of my mom. That's why I went there. Junior, you trying to threaten me. You think you can frustrate me? No, I've passed that stage. That's why I don't change my key. I leave anything. I remove my ring. I can put on the table there. I believe in my house. I go to work. I leave things in my bed. When my girlfriend is there, I leave my watch. I leave everything. I don't hide anything. You know I don't hide things. What I see stupid, you come to my house, you spoil little things. You came, you stole the key, you came back to break the TV, the DVD, you broke everything. We went to the wedding, John's wedding in Peckham. You come to ask my phone to take the numbers, I gave you the phone. You come, you come and ask for my keys, I gave it to you. That's what I am. To show you that I've never been afraid of you. I took you out with my ex, Gina. Not Gina, not Kamarad na you. We went to Leicester Square in the restaurant. We ate. On our way back, Gina was going somewhere else. To see Gina and we dropped Gina on the way. We be telephone na kaja voiture. Let me show you the battery of the phone to show you what I am, because you have no idea. Junior, na linyo tala. You see this battery? Do you remember this battery? Junior, we dropped Gina on the way. On our way back, I had the two phones, and the other phone I was using dropped underneath. You and your friend, you took the phone, removed the battery. This is the battery. How many years gone? How many years? I kept the battery, Junior. Because, Junior, I'm a python. When I have to do it, I have to put my face this way. You see me. You guys don't know how to use the weapon, Junior. Junior, you had a friend here next door. She was keeping an eye on me. When they were doing the scaffolding here to repair, I don't know where they would repair the roof. People came to the roof. When I go to work, they keep an eye on me. They phone you guys. People going to enter through the roof. When the scaffolding were there. When you see me, you laugh. Your friend, most of the friends have got my pictures. The young man who came here to do the cable, he was taking my picture. Instead of working, he was like on the phone all the time. Whenever I speak to him, he's trying to pretend like he's writing. He's taking a picture. Because he wanted you to see. Junior, you think I'll go to jail just for you? You're too small, Junior. You're too small, Junior. When you come in this house, you spoil the TV, you spoil the torch, you spoil what I use for the gym. But I know you came here. When you stole the key, you came and spoiled the TV. But you came in the house. Who was coming here? You came in because I had the key on the wall in the kitchen. You took the key, Junior. It's in the diary. And I'm showing the battery, Junior. Can you see this battery? Junior, I went to Congo when I came back. You know what happened? You took the CDs. I took KONGO. I had the video and the music. I was listening to KONGO to keep myself busy. Because I went to see my families. I don't go after women and drinking, no. Whenever I'm free sleeping or relaxing, I listen to music, watch the videos. When I came back, you stole the pack of CDs and videos. Everything is written in the diary. When you broke into this house, you took some of the key of the big house. Junior, do you remember one day you went in that house? You knew I've moved out. You trying to open the door. It just happened that you found me in there. You told me, oh, Dad, I came to see you if we can talk. I want you to arrange to talk. Do you remember that? It's in a diary. You were going in that house. I don't know why. You were going there to spoil the things. You go there, spoil the helmet. You go there looking for things. I don't have your paper, Junior. I told my brother and my sister not to get involved. They came out, but it's the son. I said, you don't know who he is. You only know one story. He was flying at night, or is it being evil, or wizard, or witch. That's all you know. But you don't know real him. You don't know what he's capable of. I told Nene, Junior can never come to your house on his own. When he comes there, he'll bring a group of people. First of all, to know if I'm there. I know my sister will never let Junior to get close to her children. Never. Because my sister sees what I see. At least she sees 50% of Junior. But Nene's blind. Nene's blind. Junior will use his daughter. And whenever Junior wants something, we don't do it. Junior can hurt him or hurt me, can do something to that daughter. He's evil. You have to avoid this. That's why I don't get close, because I see him. I see what he is. But this is Europe. You cannot do anything. I see you at night. I see you the day. I see you any movement you do, Junior. Spiritually, you're too small. Spiritually, Junior, you're too small. I swear to my mom's body, whatever it is, you're too small, Junior. Junior, I can finish you at any time. But Junior, I cannot keep you with me. No. That's something I would not do. And I won't do it to anybody else, Junior. Because I know what it is. Junior, I never use weapon to finish you. You're too small. If I use weapon, Junior, I have to take you all. And I'll take so many innocent. When you come and steal the document, you go to internet, you do things, you've got your friend, my name, my pictures, to follow me, to come to my house. You've got people keeping an eye on me. Junior, it does not matter to me. I look at myself, my life. I don't care about your life. I don't want to know what you do, how you live. I don't want to know, Junior. Na yake nilibana na yo because my sister insisted. My brother, my mom phone, oh, you have to do this. That's why I went there. If it was not that, Junior, why would I come there? If I'm disturbing your life, so why will I be there? I don't know anything in your life. I don't know anything. I don't know how you earn your bread. You earn your bread. I don't know what you do for a living. I don't see you. I don't go looking for you. I don't want to know anything. Because you're free. You wanted the freedom, then have the freedom. You came back to my house. I never gone looking for you, asking for you. You came back. I have to kick you out because you were not studying, you were not doing anything, you were in drugs. You were doing mechanic with Dandy. You were fired. Dandy told me, Dandy came to see me to tell me, you've been fired. Or you were selling drugs, or you were on the phone. I don't know. I just want to know. When he told me, I said, fine, that's his life. I never called you and asked you. Nasala yangote. Junior, you can send people, can come at night, break my car, stole things in the car, spoil whatever I have. Junior, natala kana sekaka. Soki natali yango na seki. Junior, you know I'm into sport, I'm into things. You come, you take what I use for sport, you spoil it. I laugh. I sometimes see some of the kit I use, they remove the rubbers, the torch I use for work, they spoil it, they put the glue in there, I laugh. If I still need it, I'll go and buy another one. I'll show you, I'll give you a simple example. Tala. Oyo torch musala. Omoni, I use it for work, torch oyo. Bo fongoli, bo che glue na kati. Bo kole yango. Fremasigo yo, bo kolaki yango. What for? Frustrate me? No, Junior. No, this is a torch. If I don't use it anymore, I'll forget about it. But because I use it for work, I went buy another one. You can see? I bought another one. It does exactly the same thing. You can see? The same thing. I need it, so I went and bought another one. If I don't use that anymore, I ignore it. Everything for gym, you sport, I left it. I go to the gym. If I want to go to the gym, I go to the gym. Junior, you do boxing. If you feel that you want to confront me, Junior, I'm ready for any time, Junior. I'm ready. But when you go and spoil things, thinking, no, you don't frustrate me. The music, I don't use it anymore. You've spoiled the home cinema. I've bought the new home cinema. I've not installed it. I have no time to listen to the music. Sometimes, whenever you're off, you're free, maybe that day you want to listen. I don't have the edge anymore. My edge is reading, work, and other things. Junior, nalingi yo ye, but you're too small, Junior. I have no time. I have no time, Junior. Junior, I know how to use the weapon. You guys go and do the drugs, don't know how to use the weapon. You use it to kill for your revenge. I know how to dismantle. I know the noise, the sound of the gun. I do. Junior, I was trained for that. I was trained. A lot of us in this country were trained. We went to Cuba. We were trained for this, Junior. Ask those who know me. Ask them. They tell you what I am, Junior. Junior, don't feel sorry for Junior. If I put you in front of you, you'll be down. I'm not someone, once I change, it takes me a second to change. Once I change, Junior, I forget. To me, I don't see a sun, I see the enemy in front of me. And if I have to do it, Junior, I do it. The only thing, Junior, I cannot kill you. You're too small. I'll waste my life. Junior, if I have to do it to you, I have to see people crying. And I hurt a lot of people. Because you're getting people involved. You're getting a lot of people involved. You're getting your wife family, you're getting a lot of people, your church, a lot of people, friends involved. If I have to retaliate, Junior, I'll take you a lot. You'll be shocked, Junior. It will be in TV all over the place. You have no idea. You're too small, Junior. Binta, j'ai fait la vidéo pour répondre à Junior. J'ai suivi tous vos conseils, les conseils de mes frères, des amis, qui que ce soit, vos conseils. Et j'ai fait la vidéo pour répondre à Junior. Junior, olanda kama vidéo na ngai, Junior, camarade na yo. I'll do a video, I'll tell what one of your friends told me. One of your friends came to see me. I met him in that wedding of yours. Atuni, yo mzakana mbeto wa mai. Babengi ngai. Aiko kutana na ngai. Ayebisi nga makambo bele. Kapsi, can I record? Oh no, please don't record me. They end up killing me. They will understand. Me has done this. Naibisi nenete. Because Nene is the one that opened the door to betray your family. If you have to harm me or harm anyone in the family, you do it through Nene. Like now, you are using his daughter. He does not see that you're using Tanya. He does not see it. Junior, if you're still a witch or a wizard, as you call it in English, you are now in a Nigerian family. Junior, go in there, become part of them. Not in my family, Junior. We don't want that, Junior. I'm a wall you cannot cross, Junior. Sorry, Junior. If you persist, Junior, if you want to bet, I'm ready to bet with you, Junior. If you want to bet, Junior, I won't use the weapon, but spiritually, Junior, you won't finish this year. I'm ready to go to speak to your in-laws, to bet, to tell them that I'll prove to you, Junior, and I'll keep you. Because Junior, in life, spiritually, if you remove someone on earth, you have to keep him. That's the secret. So there you go. When you fly, where you wizard or witches you are, probably you know what I've said. When you kill at night, you harm, you keep the body. Don't you?